Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail verification code problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to Yahoo Mail. So it is at mail.yahoo.com. Then once you're here, what we first need to do is check our spam or promotion folders. So sometimes verification codes can be misrouted. So go to your spam, junk, or promo folders. So you can access this by clicking the three dots, click on the spam, and then check here to see if that verification has been sent here. Another thing what we can do is resend the code. So on the verification screen, click didn't get a code or resend, and then wait a few minutes before trying it again, and then go to your inbox or your spam and just refresh your mail. We can also use a different verification method. So if email isn't working, try SMS or phone call options, or vice versa. Select try another way to sign in if offered. Also, if you got any VPNs running in the background or ad blockers, go ahead and temporarily disable them, because these tools can sometimes interfere with Yahoo's services. Another thing what we can do, if you're using Google Chrome, try another browser. So log into your Yahoo Mail by going to Microsoft Edge or Firefox, etc. And if all things fail, we can need to go ahead and contact Yahoo support, and their support line is at help.yahoo.com. And then use the contact us or account recovery option section for help if you're locked out, or if you need more help about getting that verification code.